I want to remind you, Zulu Nation, mfethu nina ngeke nisikhiphe thina eSouth Africa, especially thina amashanga ngiyaseMozambique. Thina nina nisibiza thina njengamakwelekwele. Mfethu iSouth Africa yethu yithi safa lapho safela eSouth Africa. Simnikeza nina unkululeko, simnikeze nendawo ukuthi nisifihle la emaxolo la. Manje namhlanje nina ngibuya nestory, nina abafana bamaZulu, nina nabafana nina niyazi eMozambique, especially nibayazi amashangana enhleke straight thina asingakakwati mfethu. Mozobona ukuthi sikwate straight, ubona amashangana kwatile straight. You can't believe that. You can't believe that. But as far in Amity, as far in Amazulu, ngoba nina the whole crime in Aitanda years. Only the most of crime is happening in South Africa. Ubulala bantu, theft, whatever, is a Zulu people. Manje ngiphinde ngibuye nithi amashangana semaphupho anisiyekeni thi siyajabula namhlanje ngokuthi sesine-Grootman yethu eParliament uBaba Penny. There's nothing no more to shouting Mozambican people, and we don't like that. Bafowethu asiphileni kahle, asiphileni grande, ningasithatheli phansi. Sesikhathele ngayo every time ninamanzi okusutha ngikhuluma kabi ngamashanga nasemaphupho. So we don't need any more of that stories. Please, we are tired and we are sick and tired to listen always the South African people of KZN Amazulu ashokuthi thina azosikhawatha azoyenza ziningi insizwe la emaphuthu la. Ziningi insizwe leMozambique namfethu. Phela thina sishayela phansi ngokuthi asisithandi impi, asithandi ukulwa. We are busy to build the nations because we are Africans. We are busy to make our community growing. We are busy to make the poor people getting another level. So who are you always? You want to kill people, you want to see blood. KwaZulu Natal, don't do that. Please, we are tired of that. Sifuna unkululeko, ilako rula ina machanga na maputo, ilako rula ina Mozambique, yoyaka Juni, yoyitirela, na itsiketani, karele lezumuzenjetela. We are tired. It has a suguli mwese kama kakulwa, elokotano mngata inyemela wo. Fuck off.